Craving gravy? How about a holiday caliber gravy that doesn't require cooking a turkey or a roast for hours? If you need a gravy and you need it right now, we've got the best mushroom herb gravy for you. A delicious twist from traditional meat-based gravy, this mushroom herb gravy is rich and thick with earthy mushroom flavor and a fresh herb infusion. Get this mushroom herb gravy to your table and serve hot. Ready to get to the gravy? Start by melting butter in a large skillet and stir in minced garlic. Butter and garlic make everything better. Add mushrooms and sauté them in the garlic butter until they become soft and sultry. You'll find that mushrooms naturally release moisture as they cook down. Keep cooking until most of the moisture has evaporated. Sprinkle flour over the mushrooms and cook, stirring often, until the flour toasts and turns a golden brown. To make an even greater gravy, go for gourmet mushroom varieties. These less common mushrooms abound with their own distinct earthy flavors that will delight your gravy-loving palate. Whisk in the vegetable broth and scrape any browned bits up from the bottom of the skillet. As you whisk, the flour will start to thicken the broth. Whisk until all of the flour is incorporated into the sauce. Stir in the fresh thyme and rubbed sage, which will impart a fresh component of flavor, and season with salt and pepper. Simmer the gravy, whisking often until it reaches your desired thickness. For vegetarian fare, generously ladle gravy over mashed potatoes, bread stuffing, rice, egg noodles, biscuits, or roasted vegetables. Though it is meat-free, this mushroom herb gravy is equally delicious draped over juicy slices of turkey or roast beef. This gravy will quickly become one of your comfort food favorites.